Hello guys, in today's video, we're going to do a very simple process on how to make a JSON file step by step. Let's begin. First, let's start by opening a text editor. You can choose Notepad, Visual Studio Code, or any editor you like. Okay, to create one, quickly right click on your desktop and then choose New, and then I'm going to select text document right over this section. Now it's time to add some data. Okay, so JSON files use key value pairs that look something like this. Okay, I'm going to open my text document. I'm going to paste my JSON code over here. You can also copy paste this sample or create your own. Feel free to customize the values however you like. Okay, so once done, you can click on File and then go Save or Save As. Okay, here I'm going to just leave or name this JSON file 1, and then I'm going to save this on my desktop. Okay, now let's make sure your JSON file is actually valid. So I want you to go and open your browser, then look for any JSON validator. You can choose any online platforms that will validate your file. I'm just going to choose this specific website. Over here, we can choose browse any files from our computer, JSON file 1, and then we can click on process, and then there we go. It shows that my file is definitely indeed valid. And that's it. You just created your very own JSON file from scratch. I hope you found this video very helpful.